When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, the quality and reliability of the dealers can make a significant difference. In Lajpat Nagar, Delhi, there are several reputable survey instrument accessory dealers who offer a wide range of products to meet the needs of professionals in the industry. These dealers understand the importance of precision and accuracy in surveying, and they strive to provide their customers with top-notch equipment. One such dealer is SCON Design, located in Lajpat Nagar. SCON Design has established a strong reputation for being a trusted provider of survey instrument accessories in the area. They offer a comprehensive range of products, including tripods, prism poles, GPS antennas, batteries, chargers, and more. Their inventory is carefully curated to ensure that customers have access to high-quality accessories that meet their specific requirements. Whether you are a land surveyor, engineer, or construction professional, SCON Design has the accessories you need to get the job done right. What sets SCON Design apart from other dealers is their commitment to customer satisfaction. In addition to their wide range of products and personalized service, SCON Design also offers competitive pricing. With the presence of these dealers in Lajpat Nagar, individuals and organizations can easily access high-quality survey instrument accessories. One prominent dealer in Lajpat Nagar that deserves mention is SCON Design. SCON Design is a well-established name in the field of survey instrument accessory dealers. Their commitment to quality and their reliable customer service make them a preferred choice among professionals in the field. When it comes to survey instrument accessory dealers in Lajpat Nagar, convenience is key. Moreover, SCON Design understands the urgency of their customers' needs and ensures prompt delivery of their products. This level of convenience sets them apart from other dealers in the area. SCON Design employs experienced staff who are well-versed in the field of surveying. They are always ready to assist customers with their queries and provide them with the necessary guidance. This level of support adds immense value to the services offered by SCON Design. In conclusion, Lajpat Nagar is home to several survey instrument accessory dealers that cater to the needs of surveyors in Delhi. Among these dealers, SCON Design stands out for its wide range of high-quality products, convenient location, competitive prices, and excellent customer support. Whether you are an experienced professional or a beginner in the field of surveying, SCON Design can provide you with the necessary accessories to carry out your work effectively and efficiently.